This will be a hotel room tour of the TownePlace Suites by Marriott Easton Columbus Area here in Columbus, Ohio. Starting out over here, we have Ohio, the hotel and motel laws from the Ohio Revised Code, a map, latch lock, automatic, deadbolt, there's your look into the hallway. Over here you got some hangers. And we start with the kitchen. Here's a full-size fridge and freezer, all which are nice and clean. A kitchen sink, cutting board right here. Appears to be nice and clean. Watch this. Light. Trash compactor. Your garbage can. And you got a dishwasher. GE profile. Appears to be nice and clean. Got storage and all. Utensils. Pots and pans. Another pot. Our stuff is over here, including 3 mugs, a toaster, and some glasses. More cups, more glasses, cups, and plates. A microwave, manufactured in April 2018. With a cool surface light feature. There's high, low, and off. Now we're going to this area. We've got the, first we'll do the restroom. Sink. 1-gallon flush toilet. A Kohler. Your shower. Speakman, any style, any Speakman any stream shower head with Delta controls, and your soap, your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Some towels, very nice, comfortable beds, an alarm clock, standard hotel telephone. A nice chair over there. LG flat screen TV. Some drawer space. GE digital thermostat. And here's a view out the window with your famously brutal Ohio snow. Oh, I forgot to show you here. Here's a desk with all my stuff on it. Closet envy. Weird thing is here you got a master switch. Unless you have that master switch on, none of these lights will go on. I always confuse these switches. And that's it.